Welcome to English literature class. My students of class 9th. I am going to start lecture number 3 with a speech of Gobo from Act 2, Scene 2. Gobo says, her name is Marjorie indeed. I will be sown if thou be Lancelot. Thou art mine own flesh and blood. Lord worshipped might he be. What a beard hast thou got! Thou hast got more half on thy chin than Dublin my Phil horse has on his tail. Gobo says, her name is Marjorie indeed. I can swear now that if you are Lancelot, you are my son. He feels Lancelot's face. He feels Lancelot's face and says, may the Lord be praised. What a beard you have. What a beard you have. You have more hair on your face than Dobbin, my shaft horse, has on his tail. Lancelot said, rising, it should seem then that Dobbin's tail grows backward. I am sure he had more hair of his tail than I have of my face when I last saw him. Lancelot says, getting up, it seems that Dobbin's tail is growing less, for I am sure when I last saw him, he had more hair on his tail than I have on my face. Gobo says, Lord, how art thou changed? How dost thou and thy master agree? I have brought him a present. How agree you now? Gobo says, Lord, how much you have changed. How do you and your master get along? How? I have brought him a present. Do you agree to give it to him? Lancelot says, well, but for mine own part, as I have set up my race to run away, so I will not rest till I have run some ground. Well, as far as I am concerned, I have decided to run away. I will not rest till I reach some distance. I want to leave my old master's house. My master is a Jew in every sense. My master is a Jew in every sense. My master is a Jew, very Jew. Give him a present. Give him a halter. I am famished in his service. He says, give him a present. Are you going to give him a present? Give him rather a rope to hang himself. Don't give him any gift. Give him rather a rope to hang himself. I always go hungry in his service. I always go hungry in his service. He says, famished in his service. You may tell every finger I have my ribs. You can count all the ribs from my chest. You can count all my bones with your finger, every rib in my body. Father, I am glad you are come. Give me your present to one Master Bassanio, who indeed gives rare new liveries. He says, if you want to give it to Master Bassanio. Master Bassanio, who gives his servants brand new uniforms. If I cannot serve him, I will run away until I reach the boundary of God's earth. He says, my Master Bassanio, who indeed gives the new liveries, if I serve not him, who indeed If I will not serve him, I will run as far as God has any ground. He says that if I cannot serve him, I will run away until I reach the boundary of God's earth. Oh, rare fortune! Here comes the man to him. Father, for I am a Jew, if I serve the Jew any longer. He says, oh, how fortunate! I am very lucky. I am very fortunate. Here comes the same gentleman. Means Bassanio. Go to him, father, for I will be a Jew if I serve the Jew any longer. I will be Jew. If I will serve him, I will serve Shylock, I will become a Jew. And it will not be good. I serve the Jew any longer. Enter Bassanio with Leonardo and other followers. Here Bassanio comes. Bassanio's speech, you may do so, but let it be so. Hasted that supper be ready at the farthest by 5 o'clock. To a servant, Bassanio says to a servant, you may do so, but do it fast so that supper is ready latest by 5 o'clock. See these letters delivered, put the liveries to making, and desire Gratiano to come anon to my lodging. He orders, take care that these letters are delivered. Place orders for the servants' uniforms and request Gratiano to come immediately to my house. The servant goes out. These after giving the order, after taking the order from Bassanio, the servant goes out. Lancelot says to him, father. Lancelot pushing his father towards Bassanio. He says, go to him, father. Go to him. Go, God bless your worship. Bassanio says, Grey mercy, wouldst thou art with me? Thank you, and may God mercy be on you. Do you want anything from me? Gobbo says, here's my son, sir, a poor boy. Lancelot says, not a poor boy, sir, but the rich Jews man that would, sir, as my father shall specify. Lancelot says, not a poor boy, sir, but a servant of the rich Jew. He wishes, sir, as my father will explain. Gobbo says, his master and he, saving your worship's reverence, are scarce cater cousins. Gobbo says, his master and he, with all due respect to you, sir, hardly get along with each other. They cannot live with each other. Gobbo says, I have here. Lancelot said, to be brief, the very truth is that the Jew, having done me wrong, doth cause me, as my father, being I hope an old man, shall fructify unto you. Lancelot says, indeed, the long and the short of it is that I am in the service of the Jew and wish, as my father will explain. Gobbo says, Lancelot says, in short, the truth is that the Jew has done injustice to me. He has caused me, as my old father will tell you. Gobbo says, I have here a dish of doves that I would bestow upon your worship, and my suit is. Gobbo says, I have brought a dish of doves which I would like to give to you, sir, and my request is. Lancelot says, in very brief, the suit is impertinent to myself, as your worship shall know by this honest old man. And though I say it, though old man, yet poor man, my father. Lancelot says, in short, his request is concerning me. Your honor will come to know about it from this honest old man. Although I, his son, say it, he is my father, though old and poor. He is my father, though old and poor. What Bassanio says, you will study in the next video. Thank you so much, students.